Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Nice, thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? I can't wait. It's somebody going for a swim, a kohoi.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a tail, a fiore.
And our last clue, clue tuatoru, sitting right here beside us. Do you know what this is? I can't wait. It's a whale, a tohora. We have all 3 clues. We have somebody going for a kohoi, a swim. We have a fiore, a tail. And we have a tohora, a whale.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing. It's a very popular one, Tohorā Nui.
It is. This is one of our favourite songs where we get to do actions all about a whale. A Tohorā Nui, which is the big whale. Tohorā Roa is a long whale. Tohorā Tino Momona, which is a fat whale. Because do you know that whales swim in cold water, so they need lots of fat to keep their bodies warm? I know.
Would you like to have a sing along with us? I will count to toru and click my fingers and off we'll go. Tahi, rua, toru.
Tohorā Nui, Tohorā Roa, Tohorā Tino Momona, Tohorā Pua, Pua, Fiore, Piu, Piue, Tohorā Kau, Hoe ana I te moana, Tohorā Kau, Hoe ana I te moana. Tohorā Nui, Tohorā Roa, Tohorā Tino Momona, Tohorā Pua, Pua, Fiore, Piu, Piue, Tohorā Kau, Hoe ana I te moana, Tohorā Kau, Hoe ana I te moana.
That was so cool. I loved being a big giant tohora.
Which action was your favourite?
That's a good one.
Cool, very cool.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 things we learnt at the beginning. Here's the first one. Starts with the sound ke, kau, kohoi, swim.
The second one starts with the sound f, fio, fiore, tail.
And our last one starts with the sound t, to, tohora, whale. Hey, we hope you enjoyed learning all about the beautiful tohora, the beautiful whale. Shall we go sing a goodbye song together? We hope.
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hi, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes! Yeah!